Guys, today we are going to the forest again. We're going to hike again, looking for mushrooms because yesterday the long videos that I've taken, I can't upload it because I'm only using a data. I don't have a Wi-Fi yet. That's why the maximum that I can upload up until today would be 4 minutes only. The video that I've taken yesterday was 1 hour, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes, something like that. That's why I can't upload them. Maybe if I don't have a problem with my storage, then I will upload them on the coming months or year when I have a chance. But as of now, I can't upload them. So guys, that's all. I'll update you again later on. Yeah, I'll update you again later on. Now we are here. I have a dog here. I'm only using my cell phone. I don't have a camera yet. So guys, that's all for today. I will update you later on again. Thank you. Bye bye.